Are you feeling the pinch of rising costs? If you're looking for ways to bring in some extra cash without sacrificing too much time or energy, you're in the right place. The online world is overflowing with opportunities, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 ways you can make money online right here in New Zealand. Stick with me till the end. You won't want to miss number 1. Number 5, Google Ads Management. If you're savvy with digital marketing, Google Ads Management could be your golden ticket. Getting certified through Google Ads not only builds your credibility, but also opens the door to helping businesses optimize their online presence. Imagine getting paid to help companies reach more customers. It's a win-win. You set up, manage, and optimize their ad campaigns, driving traffic and generating leads while building a steady stream of income for yourself. Number 4, Logo Creation Services. Next up, if you have a flair for design, logo creation is a hot market. Every new business needs a logo, and you can be the one to create it. With platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you can showcase your portfolio and start attracting clients. The best part? You set your rates. This means that with each logo you design, you're not just helping a brand find its identity, but you're also boosting your own financial independence. Number 3, launch your course. Do you have expertise in a particular area? Why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Creating and selling online courses can be incredibly lucrative. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to host your course, while social media and online communities provide the perfect avenues to market it. Think about it. You create the course once, and it can keep bringing in revenue as long as people are enrolling. Number 2, video editing services. In our visually driven world, video content is king, and that means there's a growing demand for video editors. If you have video editing skills, you can turn this into a profitable side hustle. Businesses and content creators are always in need of someone to help polish their videos. By offering your services on freelance platforms, you can build a client base and a portfolio that speaks volumes about your skill. Number 1, start a YouTube niche channel. And finally, the most exciting option, starting your own niche YouTube channel. This isn't just about making videos, it's about building a community. Focus on topics that are both trending and that you're passionate about. Whether it's financial tips, investment advice, or lifestyle hacks, there's a niche audience waiting for you. With consistent content and smart SEO, you can start generating ad revenue, attract sponsorships, and turn your channel into a full-fledged income stream. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Introvert Pal. Your journey to financial independence starts here. Let's make it happen together.